at our hypothesis, the first phase of this part of the project was the data cleaning. So we obtained data sets that were collected from the MGH electronic health records, which were in CSV format, and Alteryx was the chosen tool for the data cleaning process. So we brought in each file and changed the data types for each column, making sure that string data was correctly cased and numeric data was changed into the appropriate type. Datetime types were also transformed. Some columns had to be rearranged, new columns created, and some were renamed. We noticed that some of the columns had unwanted special characters, and Alteryx was the proper tool to deal with them. We removed now rows and fields, as well as duplicates, leading and trailing white spaces. And so we took advantage of Alteryx to import the clean files into the SQL workbench for further manipulation and analysis. Also, we took the clean files into Excel and Power Query for further analysis. Thank you.
Yes, so once all the files were clean, Master Excel workbook was created. The clean CSV files were converted to Excel files. We then added the sheets to a master file. Then the master file was loaded for a query for further analysis, manipulation, and cleaning. The encounter sheet was used as the main sheet. Joins were performed in Power Query to bring in patient's details, payer's details, organization details, and provider's details. Various conditional and custom columns were added, such as age groups, age of patients. We created several age groups like minors, young adults, senior adults, middle age, and of course senior citizens. We also added length of encounters in minutes, number of years under medical cover, and our data was ready for analysis.
Our team also did Excel dashboard. We loaded the data from Power Query back to Excel. Various pivot tables and pivot charts were created, and the charts used to come with an interactive and informative dashboard that provides great insights into the hypothesis of the project. We have a map of age medical data dashboard that shows organization revenue and facility utilization. And from the data, you can see the Melrose, Massachusetts, with 8 organizations and had a revenue of $6,000, and facility organization had a revenue of $4,750. Then we did gender health coverage, where we did an analysis of male and female. Male had the highest healthcare coverage than the female. We also did race of patients, where the white patients had a higher healthcare coverage than the rest. We also got the gender analysis of the patients, and the percentage is shown in the dashboard. We also did marital status of the patients, where married patients had a higher healthcare coverage than the others. We then did patient encounter class, and ambulatory had the highest healthcare coverage. And also we did healthcare expenses versus healthcare coverage are shown in the chart.
We also imported the clean CSV files to SQL Workbench, which we use to analyze various queries and to provide meaningful insight from the data. We used the wildcard to get all the emergency encounters. We also calculated the encounters by encounter class and their total cost of encounters for each encounter class. I'll repeat that. We calculated count of encounters by encounter class and their total cost of encounters for each encounter class. We also calculated the average pair coverage. From this data, we also came up with a few stored procedures. Just to show a few, uh, retrieve information for a specific patient, which we use their social security to get patient information. Um, we use the next sub procedure is uh, looking for the providers using city names, for example, Boston. This gives us all the providers in cities. Uh, we also used the stored procedure to bring up insurance name and insurance providers. We have Humana, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and we can see who is covered and who is not. Thank you.